Hello guys, Mikhail Hutsko here, and this is another video of our Pandas tutorial. Thank you very much for watching all the previous videos about the Pandas. I hope you learned something new, and this video is dedicated to your project. As part of each course, also this course has the project, and in this project I will ask you guys to process the dataset of your own choice. If you don't have any idea which dataset should you process, feel free to refer to the project description in the Skillshare course, where you can find a couple of examples which I'm providing for you. But I highly recommend to work with data you like. It makes much more fun, and you will make much bigger progress with the dataset of your own choice. Feel free to work with anything. Basically, you don't need to limit yourself for the numerical data. Feel free to put there also the string data and day data if you want. At the end of the project, please make some photos or pictures of your progress and what did you accomplish with the Jupyter notebook. You can then post these pictures and photos into the Skillshare project part, where I can check them and give you feedback what you can make better, or you can just share your progress with all the other students within the class. We are here for you, and if you will have any problems with solving or with analyzing this dataset, feel free to write in the discussion, where I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Now, what should you process in the dataset, in your dataset? Feel free to apply all the knowledge which you learned through this course. So for example, if your dataset is split into multiple CSV or Excel files, feel free to concatenate them into one big data frame. After that, check out the data types and try to fill the NA and NaN values in the dataset. In case of numerical values, feel free to use the mean values of the columns. In case of the object values, feel free to use some reserved keyword for the NaN values. You can also plot the box plots for the numerical values, which are quite useful in the data scientist world. So then, at the end, you can just make photos of your Jupyter notebook, as I said, and then post it into the project part of the Skillshare. Okay guys, feel free to start with the project right now and send us your progress.